DJI, your most popular drone company, announced an event themed See the Bigger Picture, which was supposed to hold earlier in July, but for some unknown reason shifted to the 23rd of August. The drone company may have successfully rescheduled the event, but the product that they tried to keep secret leaked from an unchecked catalog from Argos, a UK-based retail store. Well, what we have, or should I say be expecting, are two new Mavic models, Mavic 2 Zoom and Mavic 2 Pro. According to The Verge, DJI confirmed the Mavic 2 because of the leaked advertisement. Now, here's the latest teaser trailer showing more of what to expect on August 23rd. Enjoy! Please don't forget to throw in a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.
But did you think we'd stop there? Let us take you beyond the horizon, where something incredible awaits. It's about time.